Good morning, everyone. Today is a beautiful day. The farmers are going to harvest the rice. Look at that.
Mom, what is the day today?
Look how many people are there.
Those looks like elves.
No, they are not elves. But when they are far, they are small. They are harvesting the rice.
They're getting rice and they're making rice.
Yeah.
Wow. Those looks like elves. What an amazing day, Alice.
Look how nice.
And Mr. Aaron,
You are
he
very
wants to
lucky
go
because you
something.
see
And
this.
And I want to give him something.
You see this time they are harvesting some rice. It's really nice.
Yes,
This is how they are getting the rice, you know?
because
And then they're going to
make
remove the skin, and then we can cook it. That's how we cook rice. That's how we get the rice, okay? Look how hard it is. Look how hard it is, Yamina.
supplies.
That's why it's not good to waste food, okay?
Mhm.
People are having a hard time to get them.
Mhm.
Beautiful, right? They're going to finish all this.
And to there.
Yeah, beautiful. It's beautiful.
But why they don't talk?
They're talking, but they're just far. Mangalap ka tamboti.
I'm a robot.
Okay, let's get the water. Get the water na ko. Mak, punamitang.
So outside today because it's my birthday.
Selena, it's hot, Selena. Come inside, let's go inside. Oh, come inside, it's hot. Selena, you'll hurt your tummy.